Mail call to Bruce from David down in Louisiana, I believe. LA. Scissors. Oh man! And a sticker! Okay, let's look at the... Oh, that's a nice sticker, eh? Piston on there, David. It says David Cornett. I can show you because I am going to put that sticker on my wall. And look at this. It's going to fit. Oh man, I'm so lucky. Look at that, too. Very nice. Thank you, sir. I have to put this someplace where it's not going to get dusty just for now. It will get dusty. Okay. Let's do this. Wow, these ones are pre-rounded. I got a t-shirt, man. We'll get this off of here sooner or later. I don't want to wreck the sticker, eh? There it is. That's a well-made sticker. It's one of the few things you want in life to stick, is a sticker. Alright, let's put it right below Steve's Saloon. There you go, David. David Cornett. That's a nice sticker. I like that. Very, very nice. Hey, I'm getting somewhere. I'm not even a super sticker guy, and look at that. Fun. Well, that was way too generous, sir. I mean, I just feel like a dude out there, and then I get a t-shirt. And that's something, eh? Like, that makes a difference. Thank you, David. I will think of you now every time I'm at my little bench here. Thanks a lot. All right, here we go. Grampie's Workshop. Front and center. That's pretty cool. That's a really nice sticker, sir. Now, I don't know where to put this one, but I'm getting a bunch of fun stuff set up for my lower toolbox down here. And I think I'm going to put that sticker down there. There. Okay, sorry about that. There we are. Thanks again. I think it's Mike, right? Thanks, bud. Oop. Thank you very much. The generosity is appreciated. It's just been a mail week. I don't know which one to put up, but I really like the shiny one. But with the pink donuts, I like that too. Hey, maybe we should do that. And then I'll save one for the lower toolbox, or should I give this one away? I'm going to give this one away to an honorary YouTuber. So this is Dave, the lawnmower detective. I'm just getting caught up on all my little jobs, eh? Come on, baby. There we go. Aluminum. Aluminium. Ooh, I like that sticker too. Perfect. Oh, that's a nice sticker too, man. I don't know. I'm going to stick it on my other toolbox here. No, I'm going to put this one on the other toolbox. And I'm going to give this one to Steve O.J. next week. Where do I put that so it'll remind me? Right there. And there and there. Okay, Dave. You're all over the place. Let's take you down here too. Sorry about that. Sorry, I apologize so much. Cool. So there we go. I'm getting my my little projects done today. Thanks a lot, guys.